Ano ba kasi marumbo ni ko maruta ito nandindi tabi nanding graba. Thank you very much for the hard work.
Yeah.
Thank yourself for complete
Thank
the
you
4
very
days
much.
of working.
Yeah.
Thank you for the hours that you have been passed. Some of us we have been tempted, but we keep our faith. We keep our mentality right.
Yeah.
Be positive all the time.
Right.
Get away from negative things.
Yeah.
Be punctual to class, and we here to them.
Karena ka turang na marama doro mo na lewa kita bagi bikin na lalai na mataka di baka rombo ka di kuha di ko na ikaruni singa.
Alright.
Ni dona bulo po sa tamay dapat tali di kuha. Paul Mall. Andres. Ano Debs?
Ano ba ka-et? Ano ba talaga may Shem?
Okay, a very well good morning. A very well good morning to all of people tuning in from Tabeuni. From Tabeuni. Maikai.
Yeah.
Mita Signa.
Oi.
Listening from Nuitaka Place.
Sorry.
Mangera from Tabeuni.
Yeah.
Nuitaka Place.
Nuitaka Place.
And
Mangera Tabeuni.
Ano na say good morning to Turang Night.
Yeah.
Mil na Dalevo tuning in this morning from Bailey.
From Australia.
Australia. Eh, baka naman tabi rulubi biti may nanek,
To all the people who are joining, to all our brothers, sisters, to all our mummies,
Yeah.
our daddies from the neck who have been working very hard. Some of them they move to another place. They complete their work,
Yeah.
so they join another company.
Yeah.
So some of them they keep the discipline.
Hindi na.
Thank you very much for keep the discipline. Some of the bosses asking, you have another brother there at home?
Yeah.
Please tell him passport come. Because
Right.
come and work
Right.
here.
Yeah.
Because due to your well-disciplined behavior to your boss.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a kind and
Iya, lebo sar may sa kabutukan na bikar sa lagi garam tu misal dua.
course.
Ni kibakan dari sumay na bika era may pagkator chuna nanta benua. Sa mga torte tak na bali so sa extend na bali.
Iyo.
So sa tarasa na so na bali bu.
Right.
Dua na bika so sa kan nito basi na so na una.
Iya.
Sa basi ka na ngunong go. Bolan lo ni bali. Bor na bali.
At the review tungkol to na motokabo.
Go. Tamay may krondua. O John
May
may
krondua.
nek na ngunong go.
Iya.
Sabay bulit tube tamana.
Iya.
And doon na lori na Ford.
Kinaka.
Bisa ka bulon-tulon to laki riso boy
Iyo.
lang. Yan na yan ni yalo betua.
Right.
Biki udah ka drang oleh tu nek.
Iyo.
Bisa mo cuma mata ni bing garam di kuah.
To all the people to the tongan nanggaboka.
Iyo.
To Naboti Ambas place.
Iya.
Not forgetting our tabale boleh sumay na nunukay baka mataka.
Sabi na.
Tabale, thank you very much for the kay.
Abo tayo.
Iya.
Tara kay.
I just take the Kai. Thank you very much for the Kai.
Yes,
We'll be waiting for the Kai, and when the Kai will come,
Yeah.
we'll post it on our page.
Right.
Because our Nagala here,
Yeah.
he promised us,
Yeah.
I'll bring the Kai.
Right.
Okay, very good, Tabale. Thank you.
Iya, tabale sa tungkol tulo pa na kain ko sa kautin ni Kim to. Binabalebu. Karamu ni Bengalabo Isoa. Tabale Isoa from Tongan Nangabo Karabotu Yamba and the family and all abroad joining this morning. And also, I would like to invite you to who? To our Kababeral this afternoon.
You should go.
5 to 10.
I tell you, you should go.
Why?
Because the grog from Moinunu is different.
This
Oh, ta sudu.
Sudu ni Wainu.
Sudu, the milky.
Iwala
Milky.
na. 5 to 10 p.m. All scholars, this is Ratuluke Memorial School of Family. They will be joining.
Karena fundraising takat sini ko biki udah kada na wala ka
Not wala, Siperes. Don't move the location. Always run away from the
club.
Iya.
Walu bay. Biar kan sarah buli ucer kor dibuli Ratuluke.
Iya.
Which band? Which band?
Sungai ada sing binani ko.
Now to solo.
Which band do the jinjik?
The breadfruit.
Ada si Roland nito Karwai and Rimbaud Primary School. Sofia ngabi nando to ningo. Sa dalat siguro na lang ilang housing and matari ko.
Boy, binaka.
O nanta mela na binaka J Carlos. Golden Heights.
To QBS.
Oi.
To like PTI.
Iyo.
Bro Isa Kewaitana to Tinay Ju and the family, especially to the Terikawai clan.
Oh, one na.
This to QBS to Ju Waitana.
Okay.
Binabalik sana sa matikumay. Namatakan ni
Tix
Kuwa.
is asking one question. Wang di papalangi.
Iyo.
Tiku sa mayala turang tani.
Iyo.
Sa sili sa maka.
Same face,
Same face.
same night,
Iya.
same clothes.
You know, when you say Durba Matana, you say Durba Matana. Hey, don't eyeballs. You know, so.
What's the if you ride a Billy?
Yeah.
How is a Billy? How to make a Billy?
Yeah.
The Billy, you cut the bamboo.
Right. Okay.
Some of us we cut the kosamandue.
Right.
The
right one.
The ripe one.
Yeah.
We take the ripe one, long one, straight.
Okay.
Make it straight. Some of us depend on what kind of billy one.
Right.
Some double, some singular.
Okay. All right.
Some double,
Yeah.
some singular.
How many Mbitu
Yeah.
make one Billy?
Depend.
Oh, okay.
If you are bigger, you want to be some 12,
12 Mbitu.
some 8.
Oh, okay.
Depend.
Okay. Then what?
So you cut the head of the mbitu.
The Mbitu. Yeah.
You cut the head. You take one cow.
Yeah.
Take one stick, insert into their head where you cut a hole.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
That's where you use the technique of scout.
Oh.
Doing your the knots, the tying knots,
Yeah.
using the rope.
Right.
You
Right.
tying.
Yeah.
Then from there,
Yeah.
you like mbuninga, yumbuki.
Yeah.
Namuni some of them buki, some of them just follow the infront one.
Yeah.
The infront one is same as the back one.
Yeah.
Like rectangular.
Rectangular one.
Yeah.
Oi.
So it's like that. Some of them double so that they don't want to get wet.
Right.
Like for the mummies, they go to the.
Yeah.
What the name of their bamboo?
It's a normal bamboo, guy. It's a
Normal
normal
bamboo or different kind of bamboo? The
Yeah,
baby,
the same
bamboo.
The
bamboo.
baby bamboo.
Not the baby
The
bamboo.
same bamboo that he ran after.
Sabi na walang tao eh. Walang tao, yeah.
Lewan they joining this morning.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Good morning to you and the family.
Yeah.
And not forgetting to our people, to our gang, to our squad, to our friend
Don't go
from
back.
the province of Naita City.
So, kasama Mike.
One for Billy.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And how about the canoe?
Canoe.
Yeah.
Ask me this one. How did you make the canoe? The canoe.
Myself from the bush.
Yeah.
When you want to buy canoe,
Yeah.
we buy to some of the carpenters.
Right.
Karena tara sip-sibi.
Right.
They use tamarind ply?
Mbaki ni buruai.
Yeah.
Mbaki ni buruai nakambuta.
Yeah.
Some of them they doing the
What type of wood they use? Or timber or tree?
a tree.
Iyo.
They use a tree
Oi.
and the ply.
Yeah. They use that for making canoes, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to share that. Otherwise,
Okay.
I lie.
Okay. Yes, saya juga.
Right.
How about teaching a horse to ride?
Oh, you know,
How do we teach horse?
animal and human is a very two different things.
Right, no, yeah.
Alam ko tayo merekam ko na ini.
Yeah.
So this is a two different thing.
Refrain from going to the small one.
Yeah, don't. If you see the animal,
Yeah.
when you see the horse,
Yeah.
he can only walk and be
Tamed. No, thanks. Yeah.
if the human is there,
Oi.
if a man is there.
Right.
So if you want the horse to love you,
Yeah.
you love the horse.
Right.
Give him the right grass to eat.
Right.
No,
Give
if
him
no.
the right time to bath.
Oi, baka
Never,
teach him
never overwalk him.
Oi.
Yeah,
Right.
If you want to
Never override him.
never override him.
Yeah.
Never allow him.
What if you want to ride all the time?
Ride all the time. Before the horse injured,
Yeah.
you'll enjoy it at the back. Ano na kusi? Yeah, that's a true story.
True story.
Some of us, we don't want to see the water. If we see the water, we'll run. Hey.
Okay, Nandora, what is the one thing that the horse doesn't like?
The horse doesn't like.
Yeah, please, give
This is a male.
Yeah.
This is a male.
Yeah.
The horse doesn't like if you ride and you see a female one. because you control the log is in the front. If you want to ride anywhere, if you want to run to the left, you move him to the right. If no, you, the owner, the rider, and him will be on top. It's up to you. You like it or not?
Tapi tagi kau na.
Lei. Ya berapa leo kita bisa tu sana ba?
Kami kewele juga na. Saya nggak on top of the mountain sir.
Baka one day I remember one of my Vale, Tilangi. Tilangi is joining from Namata Somo in Sao right now. He's a brother of Jose Salaune. And this one,
He's the teacher.
no, he's not a teacher.
Then?
He ride a horse.
Yeah.
He ride a horse.
He's a horse rider.
He rides a horse rider.
Yeah.
He ride a female horse. But kaya sa mga mga nostalane.
Right.
He is nostalane. Elenga bita bale niyang kay biya makabele. Be alert all the time. Kay mano como kono osimo sini bekilao tamata tibeza kasi daba. Kono la kome kilanga ni ose daba.
Sakale. Roge vital kalau sebut dia una.
Kapan nonton mula lesan matin mata sawa. Sesabungan na weli. Kenapa lebu? Kenapa punca subscribe in every vibe. Out palangi.
John Kumar, thank you so much for tuning in this morning from Prado Valley. All the way in Sigatoka, sudah boleh besar. Michael Rasuaki, Ben Daniel, dan gunakan Tix Selonga Batu. Dia masih bukan mau female.
Tix, ngo may lumi may nandawa.
Oh, ada benar kasi? Ada benar mata di kuat. Bob Edwin sih sebagai sementara sarana tu main gari place nandawa nanti orang John Kumar, kaki lebih Michael Rasuaki. Oi.
Donangau ne kera lutu nao se kinong ko brada lubi nong ko na lebu muj.
Oi.
Ota may JJ. Kera lutu nao se. Ana lebu nilang ka?
Iya.
Na osi lia.
Iya.
Simberto ni buli binak.
Right, no benar kayo.
O ko abi ngona kera ngai kilato ko na nonai kona.
Iya.
Ebi ngona kelen dolo tu kelen
Kau
kilato.
tak paling tinggi tu kaya?
Kera ngem but sini buta ka mai kera sini kere ya.
Iya. Iya buta kaya?
Iya bosa ka
Di sini lagi.
Ouch. Ucia pasi mai.
Iya.
Kera sa di mena osi yo. O ko tu elu.
Iya.
Ngo mateni tu ne sibiriti.
Oh.
Mateni tu sibiriti la tu na ko ito se me kera le basa sa.
Iya.
Kera usali ko na me kera le basa ko ni mateni na.
Iya.
Rumbila kan lagi mai. Dito kami kay konate kera usawi.
Iya.
Oh, kera wi tala mai lagi mati kebaran. Nikila to ko na
Iya, aku kira tu kan
Sibiti juga may unsali. Punta kali ya, menda do bitaw sa unsali.
Iya, dia sa.
Guma buhay.
Karena kila rata bermusuh waktu di bidang dilku siya na matang di kuah, mo si bitang abi ya mak takau. Asam cuma Chadwick na ngono pakasanga ti konggo Dorote pateki nayaw. Ndro benak may Chadwick na matang di kuah. Thomas Indango, waktu di bidang na mo ni mava ko.
Right.
Sa, oi. O zetu ay
Iyo?
kara patina mine sites Australia.
Iya.
Waktu di bidang ni tuai.
Don't bulu
Kita
bilang.
kini na wana tunang garabi tabi.
Iya.
Ana mataka bidang di kuah.
Tu nama bulu tu bertu na ilang larto siya mati ko may Tabo Police Station.
50 second.
Arto station ni may Tabua. Don't bulu bilang kami tayo sisa. Kira to sar na tambal ni lawa. Arto bingkara tu na station Tabua na mata bilang ni ko.
Josloa, waktu di bidang na mataka bidang kuah. Bila kini na kanda kita sana may dava. Hat, like mata kira no mo share. Wa kurumundu.
Sam turun kata ni.
Ngonde Messi.
Ikaw mata.
Wala mo na ka.